Jalapeno. Oh my God. I would probably die. Yeah. Well, yes, Stace is not afraid of spicy at all, clearly. Oh my gosh, there is this. Okay, so the town or city that Van Galen and I went to college in, but we don't live too near anymore, has this pizza. Our friends lived in that city though, and they had this pizza place that most of the pizzas, like you could get a cheese pizza or whatever, but most of the pizzas were Indian inspired. So, you know, they ordered like a chicken tikka pizza and they ordered, I don't know, this, we were there, I should also say. And one of our friends and Van Galen were like, let's get this one that's supposed to be like murderously spicy. And I can't even remember how many different kinds of hot peppers were on it. But it was like they brought it in the room and I was like crying. And the other part of that couple was also like, oh no. Van Galen was like, that is the hottest thing I've ever eaten in my life. And I can't imagine eating anything hotter than it. No, thank you. Oh, is this the pineapple? You're gonna have to copy and paste that link, friends, if you'd like to eat that. Maybe, yeah. I think it'd be your organs that you'd be losing a bit of, Rob. But yeah, I guess so. Ooh, right, because is ice cream not helpful for you, Stace? Is that right? You're a dairy person? I just learned it recently, Evie, and I worked for a fruit and vegetable delivery service warehouse for years, and I did not know till after that. And yet, didn't we take some of it home? Some of the leftovers home? And didn't you eat them? The heck? So yeah, Bill and I ate the pizza that was meant for just mere mortals, and Van Galen and Anne Marie braved the spicy fire pizza. No worries. Pollo del Fuego. I don't know what that is. You know what? So I don't not like spicy. I don't like wicked spicy, but because I'm a little bit of a baby. But the spicy that I love, but that absolutely kills me is the kind like gochujang, the Korean, anything like, it's usually Korean. And it's that like dark red chili powder. Oh, I'm dead. I die. I still eat it because it's good, but death. Exactly, Van Galen. Fiery cheese. Well, that makes sense. Oh, Del Fuego? Or do you say it with an H in some language version?